Hello everyone. Today we are going to be looking into Chrome and other web browser keyboard shortcuts. Let's dive right into this. The first shortcut we're going to look at today is the shortcut to jump to the browser history, or also known as history. To do that, we're going to select Control and H and press them at the same time. That opens search history. Next, we're going to look at the shortcut to get to the downloads page. The downloads page is quite simply where all of your recent downloads are shown. So to do that, we're going to select Control and J. I don't know why it's J. D is used for something else, but J, I don't know. So select Control J and it opens up your downloads. Next, we are going to look at Control D. Selecting Control D saves the web page that you are currently on as a bookmark. And you can see all the bookmarks that I have up here. So I will save this under the bookmarks bar as Google. There we go. You can see it right there. Another really useful one is Control F, which you can find any combination of letters or numbers in a certain web page by selecting Control F. It opens this little window up here. Now I can select anything and it'll find it on the page. Say I select Google. It finds the Google right here and it tells me there is one of them, and I can go up or down or close it right here. Selecting Control P opens up the print page so that you can print something that was on that page. In this instance, it is literally the page. I can just select print and it prints it. If you ever wanted to save the web page you were on as a web page file, all you would have to do is select Control S, which saves it to your files. Pressing those opens up the downloads. You can download it. I'll name it File, and it downloads it. I should also mention that all of the shortcuts that we used last video usually apply to here. All of the Control C, Control V, Control X, all of those apply on Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, whatever your personal preference is. I should also mention probably one of the most useful keyboard shortcuts is Control Z, which undoes anything that you may happen to not want to do. So say I'm typing something and kind of gibberish, and then I accidentally select it all and delete it. Oh no, what happened? If I select Control Z, it brings it right back. So anytime you may delete something or do something you don't like, just Control Z and it pops right back to where it was before. In closing, Control W closes the window. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.